भी बात उनके बारे में बोली जाएगी तो पहले उनको नोटिस देना पड़ेगा।
आपकी बात आ गई
सर, आप ये
पुरानी पार्लियामेंट की एक लाइफ
देश के बारे में
मियाद था। अब आप
सोचिए,
कम टू द सब्जेक्ट प्लीज, काइंडली कंक्लूड।
पैसा खर्च करना
प्रोफेसर साहब,
की प्रायोरिटी है कि मकान बनाना, नया पार्लियामेंट बिल्डिंग बनाना, खर्चा ही खर्चा करना, ये और उसके लिए सिगरेट से उठाओ, बीड़ी से उठाओ, चेरूट से उठाओ, पान मसाला से उठाओ और उसके लिए कड़ा कड़ा कानून लाओ। ये दिस इज ए ड्रैकोनियन लॉ। You want to raise revenue, you make an arrangement whether like income tax faceless assessment, you can make an easy assessment of the tax to be paid by the taxable person. But you are not doing that. You are rather raising money and say you must pay us money from pan masala, otherwise we'll send you to jail, otherwise we'll confiscate your machines, etc., etc. And then in pan masala side, you must have read this, you spoke about it, I could not follow all that you said. So Nirmala ji also spoke in Hindi, so I could not follow all that she said because we are Bengalis, we don't follow so much of Hindi. So problem remains.
It is already on Parliament app, you can go through.
Sir, क्या हुआ?
You can go through line by line, it is already on Parliament website, Parliament page.
हम तो सर बंगाली है, बंगाली रहेंगे।
आप बंगाली हैं, लेकिन आप हिंदी को ऐसा नहीं कह सकते।
A South Indian lady speak in Hindi.
I have seen you. I have seen you. कि now you can. वित्त मंत्री जी, माननीय वित्त मंत्री जी।
Speak in Hindi. I may speak in Tamil. I may speak in Telugu. I may speak in English. How does it matter to the honorable MP? Because of the way in which the speaker has made arrangement, he can get a translation in any language that he desires. And what is this saying? That she spoke in Hindi, therefore I can't understand. Available facility, technology is being used, he can understand it in any language he wants. Because he has not read the bill thoroughly, and because he wants to divert from the topic, he is bringing all these things, and I take objection, and it should be in the records.
Saugat Roy ji, you are Mr. Saugat Roy ji, you are quite aware that translation facility is available. What finance minister has said, already the translation facility is available. Either any member can speak in any language, but immediately it will be translated. Yesterday, I think so, speaker has already said, आपने कल मेज भी बजाया, तो आप अपनी बात खत्म करिए, बात नहीं, आपको नहीं लाओ क्या? सौगत राय जी।
सर, तो दिस होल प्रोसेस
कृपया समाप्त करें।
सर, ये बिल अभी हम कंक्लूड करते हैं। You have laid down an elaborate separate mechanism regarding realizing taxes, cess on pan masala. You first have a commissioner, then the commissioner allows you to appeal, then you go to the appellate commissioner, then you have even the power to go to High Court. They have the power to confiscate machines, they have the power to arrest, and